That is a streamer right above my head. Oh, it's right there, look. Going past. Look at that. What a beautiful sunny day. And that's all trying to block out that sunlight. And they're doing a great job. You can't even see the sun. Look at that. Absolutely criminal. £800 million over 4 years for that. This is crazy. It's been continuous. Still 5 PM. I'm still trying. Look at this one now. Can't even see it. Look at that. All the way across the sky. That one underneath has been there for hours. That one's even been longer.